Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Catalyst questions get easy fast when you track what gets used, what gets remade, and what cancels between steps. So watch this quick breakdown. A catalyst is a substance that participates in the mechanism but is not consumed overall. So it appears as a reactant first and then shows up again as a product later. Now check the 2 steps. Cl gas reacts with ozone in step 1, then Cl is regenerated in step 2, which means it helps the reaction without being used up. Meanwhile, ClO is formed in step 1 and consumed in step 2, so that makes it an intermediate, not the catalyst, and option B wins. Well done! Option B. Scan now. Avoid rushing signs. Trust the given steps and check what is regenerated versus what is produced then consumed.